na ba yung mga hidden charges, so-called hidden charges. Sa totoo lang guys, nagiging hidden charges lang naman siya kapag hindi dinidisclose nung agent nyo or yung broker nyo kung ano-ano yung mga kailangan bayaran. Unang-una, capital gains tax. Capital gains tax usually po ang nagbabayad niyan ay seller. So, how much is that? 6% of the total selling price or the zonal value, whichever is higher, yun po ang capital gains tax. Sa buyer side naman, ang kailangan bayaran ng buyer ay documentary stamp tax, that's about 1.5%. We also have to pay the transfer tax, which is about 0.5 to 0.75, depende kung saan yung lugar na binibili nyo. And then, meron din tayong registration fee, about 0.25%. So, meron pa tayong mga registration. And, yung